Happy holiday and welcome to the weekly minute update. The inflation data on Tuesday came in softer than expected, which reaffirms the Fed's decision to continue to hike rates. The Fed states that they are far from their price stabilization goal. The Fed peak fund rate target might be above the 5.1% estimated. Wage inflation, strong job market, with very hot labor market is keeping the Fed on their toes, looking to hike rates through 2023 and possibly 2024. Soft landing or hard landing of the economy will depend on the action of the Fed. Will they go too far? We'll see. Despite the huge wage inflation of 7.6%, it's still not keeping with inflation, and consumer purchasing power continues to suffer. Productivity is also down for US workers. The Fed news rocked the market all week and the market was sent lower. All indexes were down. Dow was down 1.7%, S&P was down 2.1%, and Nasdaq was down 2.7%. The bond market also fell. Treasury fell for fear of looming recession. The 10-year Treasury was below 3.5%, came out about 3.48%, and the 2-year 4.19%. Oil prices were pushed lower by the interest rate hikes from the BOE, the ECB, and the Fed. Oil closed at $74 per barrel. However, with China possibly coming back online, opening up after COVID, 2023 might see oil rebound and price increases. On the mortgage front, down for the fifth week in a row, mortgage rates closed at 6.31% according to Freddie Mac. What to expect next week? Bill to fund the government expected to pass the U.S. Congress and Senate next week. U.S. housing market will be in focus. Housing starts, building permit, and existing home sales will all be reported. And then the most important information for the Fed when it comes to inflation is the PCE. This is basically their preferred measurement. It's the personal consumption expenditure pricing index and more earnings reports for next week. Earnings for 2023 are going to be challenging with higher interest rates, increased labor costs, and the margin squeeze. In other news, I don't know about you, but it was the epic match between Argentina and France today, the FIFA World Cup. What a match! Excitement! Argentina prevailed. It was such a match to watch. If you've not watched that match, you might want to watch it. Once again, happy holiday and hope to see you soon next week. Bye bye.